I'm going to share with you all how one post changed everything for me in my business. So, about 3 years ago, I had an awesome opportunity to travel around with some other creators and influencers to create content side by side with them at some major events that were taking place in the US. With this opportunity, I got to literally hands on make, create, shoot, edit, all that stuff on site and turn content around while we were at these events. Not only did this boost my excitement, it made me even faster when it came to editing. And I love seeing the shock and the surprise from people being like, didn't that just happen? And how is it already ready to circulate on social media? Taking that information and being able to incorporate it into my business has been a game changer. But that is not the thing that changed my business. It was actually posting the content that I was creating at these events that changed everything. Now, I was too shy to post it on my personal brand account because I didn't know what people were going to think. But I had a business account that I was able to post some of these pieces on. And if you want to follow that account, that's ATA Media LLC on Instagram. What happened was, as I was posting these things and people were being able to see them, I had a person find that particular piece of content and like it, but then also did their due diligence to find my personal brand account and book a call with me. And that was something I was never, ever expecting. They liked the content and they wanted to know more and how I could do that type of content for them. With that being said, we had a great conversation and I ended up working with this person. And I've been working with this person for going on 3 years, and we've been able to do a number of different things together for his personal brand and other things that have made business even better. So who knew that that piece of content or that opportunity was going to open so many doors for me to be able to change my income, change my opportunities, change the networking that I'm able to do. And I almost didn't do it because I was too shy at first. But this is what I want to discourage you from doing. Stop shying away from posting content because you're too scared. Or you're too scared about what somebody else is going to think. You never know the impact that you can have from the things that you post. Somebody might need that information or want it exactly how you create it, how you share it, but you'll never know if you actually don't put it out there. And don't be discouraged by numbers. We don't want to get caught up in those vanity metrics. Oh, it didn't do all that stuff, and you all know social media is doing whatever it wants right now. So viewership is not necessarily what you need to focus on, but it's the impact. It's who is the content for, and why are you creating it? Is it what they actually need or what you just want to give them? Do you actually want to help somebody, or are you showcasing a skill that can help somebody? Let's start to get real with why we're on these particular platforms. And if they're on there for just attention, that's just fine too. There's a place and a space for it that could be more entertainment. But if you are a service-based person or a service-based business, you have to let people know what you are actually capable of and how you can help solve their problems and fix their pain. If you are continuously just masking it and hiding it and shying away from telling people how you can get them results, then you are doing yourself and that person a disservice. Now, in order to do this, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is commit to something, be it once a week or twice a week. But what I don't want you to do is overcommit. There's no point in after this video you walking away saying, I'm going to post every day for the next 30 days or 100 days. That sounds like overcommitting to me. You can start small. You can say, I want to post one time a week. Decide what that's going to be and stick to it. And over time, you can increase that to 2 or maybe even 3 times. If you are somebody that needs help in knowing what to create, you're not going to want to miss this playlist. So I have over 30 different step-by-step tutorials on how you can start creating content today to help keep you consistent. You never know, that next post could be the answer you've been looking for.